Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again, we are continuing our discussion with questions from the HSW 2019 paper. So what we'll be doing in this video is that we've taken three questions from the English section of the verbal section of the same, and we'll try and solve the same. So the question that we are focusing on is 2021 22. So let's take a look. Start off with question number 20. He choose the most appropriate reporter speech in the following. Okay. Speak louder, please. Harry said to Stephanie. Okay, so here since it's please is used, so basically Harry is requesting. Okay, it's a request to Stephanie to speak louder. So let's see. Harry requested Stephanie to speak louder. Yes, this could possibly be our answer, but let us check on the other option. Stephanie asked Harry. No, the context is different. Harry is asking Stephanie. So wrong. Harry requested Stephanie, please speak louder. Okay. No need, please is basically reiteration of the same thing. It's redundant, so no need to use that. Harry ordered. No, it's not an order. Yes, so option A will be the correct answer. We'll go ahead with question number 21. The weather is very pleasant today. I hope it keeps. Okay, so hope it keeps. So now we have multiple options: keep in, keep by, keep up, and keep on. Okay, so if we say keep in, so keep in would means not to show or express, which makes it out of context. And then if I use keep by would be to refrain or to stay away from or something, again out of constant. Keep up would be to persevere, so keep up the good work, that would mean persevere. Okay, so again not sense. Keep on, so means continue, so keep on would be the same. Okay, now next up, if we will go to question number 22. She decided to do dash her house before it deuses, before it fell into disuse. Okay, so do over means do it once again, so this should be the right. The do up, do in, do down does make sense. It should be do over means redo our house. Okay, that should be the right answer. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully all these questions are clear to you. So we'll continue discussion on the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos as well. Until then, I'll be signing off. Thank you.